Annyeonghaseyo. Good afternoon, everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good afternoon.
So as you can see, we have here another set of ballpen, pencil, whiteboard marker, ink marker, then another set of notebooks, bond paper, and chart. Another set of school supply. And that is from Mactan Korea channel.
Mactan Korea channel. Annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, 감사합니다. Mactan Korea channel. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Sheena.
안녕하세요.
So, Sheena is one of our special illiterate. So, kung mabasa na nimo nga story lang, so, this story, mabasa na nimo perfectly. So, i-move ka sa regular elementary. So, nakasabot? Kung mabasa na nimo. So, ready na? Ready na? So, unsa may mo na pati karon? Okay ra, sige. Okay, start na read.
The hunter and the wild pig. A hunter caught a wild pig. He carried it home for his meal. The wild pig tried very hard to escape, but failed, so he told the hunter, "If you let me go, I'll show you where the other wild pigs live, and so your catch will be larger." "No," said the hunter, I bring you home alone, for you are so eager to betray your friends.
So, okay, very good. So, okay na? Happy na? Happy ka? So, okay. Very good. 감사합니다, Sheena.
감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo lang.
안녕하세요.
So, you are, kisa ganun pangalan lang?
Zainab.
Okay, Zainab. And how old are you?
16.
So, 16. So, unsa na ka nga grade?
7.
Grade 7? Coming grade 7?
Grade 7 na yun daw.
Naundang ka. So, Zainab is 16 years old and grade 7. So, na-stop ka grade 7. And she wants to join in our study room as our special illiterate. Okay, so ready na? Fighting. 5 times 3.
15.
9 times 8.
72.
6 times 3.
80.
7 times 5.
35.
6 times 9.
54.
5 times 6.
30.
7 times 4.
28.
8 times 8.
64.
9 times 2.
18.
7 times 9.
63.
5 times 9.
45.
Okay, so wait lang ako na yung kanang ha. Okay. 감사합니다, Zainab.
감사합니다.
Okay. 안녕하세요 lang.
안녕하세요.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
안녕하세요. 저는 한사 초등학교 5학년 잔디입니다.
So, Jindy wants to join in the study room as our special illiterate. So, ready na? Ready na?
5, 2,
Ready? 9 times 4.
36,
3 times 7.
21,
7 times 6.
42,
8 times 3.
24,
3 times 4.
12,
6 times 8.
48,
9 times 7.
63,
9 times 3.
27,
8 times 5.
40,
5 times 4.
20.
Okay. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.